Good evening, friends. Shubh Sandhya. I am Vipul Kumar. Welcome all of you in Education So Simple. एजुकेशन सो सिंपल के लीगल अवेयरनेस प्रोग्राम में आप सब लोग का स्वागत है। हम लोग कोरोना के दौरान कोर्ट में कैसे प्रेजेंट करें, कैसे वीडियो कॉन्फ्रेंसिंग थ्रू क्लाइंट के साथ हम लोग बातें करें और केसेस को हैंडल करें, इसके बारे में हमारी टीम है जो रिसर्च कर रही है। तो आज हम लोग छोटा सा वीडियो बना रहे हैं जो 5 मिनट का होगा, जिसमें हम लोग सुप्रीम कोर्ट में लॉयर्स और लिटिगेंट्स के जो समान क्वेश्चन है, फ्रीक्वेंटली आस्क्ड क्वेश्चन क्या क्या होते हैं, उस पर हम लोग बातें करेंगे। तो आइए हम लोग देखते हैं कि जैसे कि क्वेश्चन होता है उनका कि when will the application for urgent hearing be listed before the honorable court? At present, urgent hearing application are being filed in large number. Therefore, all such application cannot be listed at the same time before the Honorable Court. This application will be listed before the Honorable Court in suitable number each day as per their seniority. Listing of such cases will be done as early as possible. However, in most urgent case, parties may mention the application before the honorable. फिर इस तरह के क्वेश्चन पूछे जाते हैं जनरली कि when and how will the not reach or not taken up case will be listed. To accept bail matters, not reach or not taken up cases pertaining to phrase category admission matter will be listed in the following week. The bail matters will however be listed after 1 day. Not reached or not taken up after notice matters will be listed after 6 weeks from the date of listing. In case of the urgency, it will be open to the parties to mention the matter before the Honorable Court for urgent listing or pre-opening the date generated by the computer as per the above logic. Next question है उनका कि how bail application of different accused person in same crime number of a police station will be listed before honorable court under the new scheme जो है उनका। तो कहते हैं bail application filed by different accused person in the same crime number registered at the same police station will be listed before the same honorable judge who heard the first bail application in that crime number subject to availability of the honorable judge. फिर नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है कि why review petition tied up to a particular honorable judge are being listed before another bench. So ordinary review petition are tied up to the bench who had decided the main case, but due to incorrect updation or human error, the review may get listed before another bench. In such a case, the parties may immediately invite attention of the registrar JI for taking corrective steps before the date of hearing. Next question. What will be the timelines to list after notice matters? After notice matters or pre-admission stage will be listed on the assigned returnable date given by court. After notice matter which are once listed and could not be reached will be listed after 6 weeks progressively. Next question. Which case will be listed under the head top of the list? Under the head top of the list, those cases are listed which the honorable court has directed to be listed under this caption being the urgent matter which need to be given precedence over all other matters. That means urgent matter will be taken first. Next question. Which cases are listed under the head settlement? Under settlement head, those cases are listed in which parties have filed compromise applications or order by the court to be so listed, which do not require any elaborate argument. This is listed under the head settlement. Next question. Which cases will be listed under the head personal appearance? Under the head personal appearance, those cases are listed in which parties have been directed to appear before the Honorable Court. Next question. Which cases will be listed under the head orders? Under caption orders, incomplete matter and interlocutory application in admitted matters shall be listed. Application in cases which are admitted but not ready for final hearing will also be listed under this caption. Next question. Which cases will be listed under the head phrase for admission? Under the head phrase for admission, freshly filed and adjourned cases in which court notice is yet to be issued will be listed. Today I will cover 15 questions, so that daily frequently asked question in the 2 and 3 series we will completed whole FAQs which is generally raised by the advocates or litigants. Next question. Which case will be listed under the head after notice matters? While listing of these cases is taking time. Under the head after notice matters, the cases in which court notice has been issued but the case is not admitted are listed. After notice matters are ordinarily listed on the court given returnable date. In the absence of any specific order in that behalf, the after notice matters are listed chronologically, progressively because of hearing docket of phrase cases. Next question. Which cases are listed under the head final dispose at admission stage, and whether there is any departure from the previous system or rules? In final disposal at admission stage category, those cases in which the Honorable Court has observed that the matter is capable of being disposed of within a short time at admission stage are listed in the motion hearing list under this caption. While the cases where Honorable Court were of the view that admitting the case will prolong the disposal of the case, as they will be listed after a number of years as per this their turn because of the huge pendency of final hearing matters. Practice was not to admit such case but issue notice, and after respondent appeared, the cases were heard and finally disposed of. That concept is not done away with, rather given a place in the scheme also. Thus, such cases will be listed for motion hearing list of cases after it becomes due for hearing. Next question. How can the court fees be calculated in a matter? In this case, you go to the website www.sci.gov, select court fees calculator. In navigation list, select case type, category and subcategory to calculate fees. Next question. How to calculate limitation in a matter? For this purpose, go to the Supreme Court website www.sci.gov, select limitation calculator. In navigation list, select case type, category and subcategory to check limitation days. In coming video, I will show you how to calculate court fee, how to calculate limitation period. Next question, how to file IA in dispose of matter. As per order number 179 upon 2017 dated 1st June 2017, any application filed in disposed matter will be registered and listed as a miscellaneous application. MA. Kindly refer this order on Supreme Court website. Notice under notices and circular. So today I have covered 15 questions. This is frequently asked question for advocates and litigants. Question number 1. When will the application for urgent hearing will be listed before the Honorable Court? Second, when and how will the not reached or not taken up case be listed? Next, how will application of a different accused person in same crime number of a police station will be listed before Honorable Court under the new scheme? Next, why review petition tied up to a particular honorable judge are being listed before another bench? Next, what will be the timelines to list after notice matters? Which cases will be listed under the head top of the list? Which cases are listed under the head settlement? Which cases will be listed under the head personal appearance? Which cases will be listed under the head orders? Which cases will be listed under the head phrase for admission? Which cases will be listed under the head after notice matter? While listing of these cases is taking time. Next question. Which cases are listed under the head final disposal at admission stage and whether there is any departure from the previous system or rules? Next question. How can the court fee be calculated in a matter? How to calculate limitation in a matter? And how to file IA in dispose of matter? So thank you friends. Thank you for watching this video. We will cover all Supreme Court frequently asked questions for the advocates and litigants, and after that we cover Delhi High Court general practices and frequently asked questions for the advocates and litigants. Thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you so much.